Love is just an illusion, says Tonto Dike ex-fiancé. Then Mercy Johnson celebrates as she dey enjoy double celebration. Hello from my headquarters, Niger News and Entertainment. And maybe shine the Shawuna salute anyone that they watch me from. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to the local time. How una dey? Hope una still dey safe. So this matter about Tonto Dike and her ex-fiancé, e just get as it be. So this guy, he open his mouth come dey talk say love is an illusion, and they say as he come dey on top piano, say they play abi na the piano dey play am. He come dey talk say love is an illusion. Now who creates that illusion? As in for inside you and Tonto Dike now, who creates the illusion? Now who make love appear like say in a fake na him be? Because Tonto Dike love you with her whole heart. She invites you in her life. She accepted you into her life. She even allowed you to play like a father role to her son, only for you to come let am down. You can't discuss her with another woman. When we say the woman can't dey bad mouth her, you can't carry woman up and down. They talk say you won't do this one. You won't chop this girl. You won't chop the other girl. They make they swear for you. Say your brother no go stay one place. Say you go they wonder about the look for who to defy. Because for you to come out come dey talk like this now, you should say you be very proud somebody. I know they like proud people. You know say you don't run that game. Instead of you to mellow down, accept to say you don't do wrong, apologize and move on with your life. You come here come dey do like say maybe na Tonto Dike na she offend you. Because if person come across this your post now, you could just be like say na she wrong you. Say maybe you love her with your whole heart and she come break your heart. Person no go know say na you. Now you, because if you know say you dey innocent, you go prove your innocency. That time when you say I must come prove my innocence. We can't wait, you know, can't prove anything. Now you still can't enter house, can't talk say for those of that way they wait for me, make I can't prove Instagram my father business. Nobody you talk and now we tell you say make you come prove. We don't even think about of you coming online. Now you still talk and say you won't come online, no, you won't come prove, say no be your voice, so but we no still can't see you. That means say everything will happen for those audio are true, and it just shows the kind of man where you be. And for you to be that man, that kind of man, I don't expect you say you go come self come they apologize to Tonto because you don't hurt that lady. If anybody wants to talk say love na illusion, na Tonto Dike supposed to talk, and because as she don't experience bad love for love, first one, second one, and I know say these ones are just the ones where we happen to know because of internet. Maybe you get the ones where self we don't know. Nobody talk about her, but you now your own self too shock us because you know waiting this babe don't pass through. You still came into her life, like you come inside her life to make you come raw pepper inside. They send you say make you come make her to be unhappy. If you know say you don't love her, why you go come for her life? Come they paint her life like this now. She don't move on now, you still they talk. You still dey proud. You don't feel want accept say now you run this game. Can talk say love is an illusion. Who dey complain? So this is wetin Tonto Dike dey talk. Tonto Dike says, as you heal, your attractions heal too. Toxicity stops looking like excitement, and peace stop feeling like boredom. Wetin she talk here na the truth, because all this while she just dey happy. That's how we be saying dey with that guy. You can't feel like say she really dey happy. Say she don't arrive, but she don't know say na toxic thing. Now toxic relationship she just find herself in. It's good say she don't move on now. Anyway, my lovely Obengo country people, make una see Mercy Johnson and double celebration for her. Just yesterday they celebrated their wedding anniversary, I think 10 years, and then now today she's celebrating her birthday. Look at how stunning, how beautiful she looks in this dress. Wow, happy birthday to Mercy Johnson. Big celebrations we could consider for her life, because there is you, like seriously, Baba God keep you alive. Say you need to thank God though, because all these people will just they buy anyhow. Don't be like saying now we better pass, we were there here. So as Mercy Johnson they celebrate her new year, like yes, it's a new year for her, because now the beginning of another journey. Yes, so make we still celebrate with her and also congratulate her, because it's not easy. All right, my Wongo people, now here I go just end this gist for today. I wanna thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Make sure that they share this video. Make sure that they share with our friends. So those our friends when they like gist, more that they share it with them, and they still come to listen to this our audio gist. As if they come, we go the carry and come. All right, from me, Shine. Bye.